Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and these are the Fiskars 45 mm rotary cutter for fabric. And let me tell you how easy it has become to do my crafting. Whenever I want to cut pieces of fabric to the exact measurements that I need, this little guy has become my best friend. I'm no expert in cutting fabric, so this cutter has helped me a lot. So my pieces are more exact, and my by end the things that I make are more even, of course. And what I like about this cutter is that the blades are replaceable, and it is so easy to replace. I personally feel more comfortable if I accidentally lift them out since it has a protector for the blade. So if they're in the middle of the fabric and I'm looking for them, I'm not worried about the blade. And that's my point of view.